Hey guys, welcome to CarCat. The CarCat app is basically an app that helps you make it very easy to service your car, to get car accessories, to find out what the latest new vehicles are at Knippelmeyer. And that's what I have been developing for the last several months to bring you guys so that it makes it easier for you. So here's some highlights of what it is. You can change your oil through the app. Of course, you have to set an appointment through it. And then, of course, I'm going to call you back, or a service advisor will call you back and set up an appointment. You can actually go directly through the website and set an appointment as well. And that goes as well for service appointments, like, having more major things fixed to your car as well. You can get accessories through the app. You can also find out what the latest vehicles that just came in. Let's say you're looking for a Honda and you're just wondering if we have one yet, or you're waiting for the 3/4 ton to come in. Well, I have a spot, a little section of my app that every day that I come in, I update it on the newest, freshest trade-ins, and vehicles that we just bought will be on that app for you to look and say, oh, looks like they just got in a 3/4 ton. This is going to be very advantageous to you because it won't be on the website yet. Nobody else is really going to know it's here. So you'll be the first ones that have possibly one of the first ones, unless one of the other salesmen tell one of their friends or something to find out about it. So great opportunity for you. Not only that, but there's actually also a way for you to direct message other vendors. Let's say that through the accessory side of the app, you decide you want to get a bed liner put in, and LineX does that for you. You maybe want to check on the status of it. You can actually direct message LineX right through the app and check to see how's it going. So this just is a way for you to be able to take care of your vehicle and make it very simple. There's also two little buttons in the top right that say call. It has a little phone and a text. You can literally, I'm here in the service department right now, and they're calling for service. So I wanted you to see, have an idea of basically what this is, and it really is a lot about service. But anyway, there's two little icons in the top right that have a little phone and a message, or a little, text message type thing. That allows you to text me or call me directly. You do not have to go through the app if you don't want to. Maybe you already have me saved in your phone. You're always welcome to call or text me. I am not trying to cut that out. What I am trying to do is make it easier for you to be able to reach me and tell me what you want, just in case I'm with the customer. Because there's a lot of times I am with the customer and I'm not going to be able to answer your call when I'm on a test drive or whenever I'm helping someone buy a car. But if I have this nice laid out structure for you, as soon as I'm available, I'll look at it, see kind of what you're looking for, and give you a call back and let you know times and availability and things like that. So I want to be able to help you through this process to be able to get your service scheduled, get your oil change. And here's one other nice little feature about the app. You don't just have to service it with us. Although I want you to, we all want you to service it with us. Maybe we can't get you in time, or maybe you have a vehicle that we're not able to service. Don't worry, you can still use the app to schedule things like that. For example, you set up what you want. You send it. It's going to come directly to me whenever you fill it out that way. You'll see whenever you open the app. And when you do that, it's actually going to come to me, and I'm going to look at it. I'm going to give you a call. I'll let you know about how backed up we are here, or that maybe we can't work on your particular vehicle for whatever reason. Most of the time we can, but every once in a while it may be better for you to go somewhere else. And in that circumstance, or in whatever other circumstance there may be that you don't want to work with our service department for whatever reason, I can still help you. I have resources. I have other vendors and network providers that I can actually set you up with. So whatever the case may be with your car, service, even towing, I have that in there as well. And questions you have, you can use the app. Which brings me to another section that I know a lot of you may really like, and that is the how-to video section. A lot of you sometimes don't know how to do everything on the vehicle. So you're going through YouTube or whatever, and even My Chevrolet has some, the My Chevrolet mobile app also has some how-to videos on that Chevrolet does. What's going to be the difference with My Chevrolet videos and me is you're actually going to get my personal touch on it. Now that may be like, well, what does that mean? Who cares? What it means is you can get specific. I'm going to be as specific as I can, and I'm going to talk in a language that hopefully you're going to be able to understand very well, because either you bought a car from me already or you're from around here, and it's going to be in just good old country boy, whatever, Tuttle language. And it's not like the how-to videos are in any weird language, don't get me wrong. I'm just saying it's going to be something you're familiar with if I point out little things that maybe that doesn't. Those are usually very quick how-to videos with my Chevrolet, and that's why instead of just putting those on there, because I couldn't, trust me, it would have been a lot easier for me to just to get the Chevrolet how-to videos and just put them on the app, but I wanted to make it better for you. So in order to make it better for you, it's going to have to be a little more personalized, a little bit more like, hey, I know this guy, I understand what he means. Yeah, I get that. Now I know what he means by click on here or go to here or whatever to be able to make this work. So that's why I decided to make my own how-to videos. For example, let's say that there's not a how-to video on it. You don't know, but you want to find out how to do something. There's actually a section in the app that says submit an inquiry for a how-to video, and you can actually just click on that and just punch in your little phone or however you're using. I guess it's going to have to be a phone since it's a mobile app, right? And you just say, hey, this is what I'm looking for. Can you show me how to use the navigation on a 2015 Tahoe? It's a little different than the newer version of the navigations, and I don't have Apple CarPlay, so can you show me how to use this? Absolutely, I'm going to do one, because now it's going to help you, but it's also going to help obviously a lot of other people that may have that same question too. So this is just all about a resource hub for you to be able to get questions answered, easy access, and be able to have resources at your fingertips, whether it's me, it's Riley in parts, whether it's the service advisor, or even Jeff at LineX. And in fact, I even have detailers on there. And I used to detail, by the way, for about 6 years, so I'm very particular about who I have on there. One of them is Favela in Newcastle. You'll read a little bit about him, and he can take care of you with all of your regular details that you have. I even have someone that can do ceramic coatings and some really upper level style detailing where they're taking out all the scratches and even the orange peel. I mean, making this car better than it was when it was brand new. So I have different levels like that. And if there's any vendors that I don't have on there and that you have ideas about, or you're like, hey, do you have this kind of let me know. I'll put it on there. I'm working on securing a paint person for that as well. We use a few people here at the dealership and have good recommendations. But anyway, that's a general overview of what the app is like. I may actually also have a version where I show you how it all works and how to use it. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but just in case some of you are having a hard time navigating or knowing how it works, I may do that, but I would like to hear from you first and see what you think if I even need to do that. But this is a basic idea of what it's like. I think you're gonna love the app, and if you don't, maybe someone else will, so tell them about it. There's all kinds of features. I think it's going to be a way for me to be able to connect with you a lot easier, you to be able to connect with me, especially if I happen to be tied up, I can get right back to you, and I already have a very good structure of what you need. Instead of you trying to text it all out, there's multiple choice. You just go boom, 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 this is what I need, Kyle, and hey, you're going to get taken care of. So that's it. It's called CarCat, of course, as you already know. CarCatApp.com, where you are right now. And guys, I appreciate you so much. And this is basically a very exciting time, and there will be all kinds of new features coming soon. But anyway, thank you again, and enjoy the app.